1.5 degrees Celsius isn't an arbitrary number. It's the result of decades of climate modeling and carbon budget calculations. Scientists start by looking at pre-industrial temperatures as a baseline. Then they use Earth system models that simulate the physics of the atmosphere, oceans, ice sheets, and carbon cycle. These models answer a simple question: how much CO2 can we emit before the planet warms by a given amount? From thousands of scenarios, they calculate a carbon budget, the total cumulative CO2 humans can emit while keeping warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. Right now, that budget is roughly 500 to 600 gigatons of CO2 for a 50% chance of staying under 1.5 degrees Celsius. But why 1.5 degrees Celsius and not higher? Because the relationship between emissions and warming is roughly linear at first. But the risk of feedbacks and irreversible changes increase non-linearly beyond this point. At 2 degrees Celsius, the required budget drops sharply. At 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, it becomes essentially impossible to stay within safe limits without unprecedented emission reductions. So 1.5 degrees Celsius represents the scientifically calculated limit where global emissions, natural carbon sinks, and climate system responses align to give humanity a realistic chance to manage warming. Every ton of CO2 matters because the budget is finite and the margin for error is small. In short, 1.5 degrees Celsius is the number climate scientists derived from physics, chemistry, and carbon cycle dynamics, not from impacts. It's a quantitative boundary for keeping the climate system controllable.